What's going on?
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Greene County, south central Hendricks County, northwestern Monroe County, Morgan County, eastern Owen County until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located 8 miles south of Spencer, or 12 miles west of Bloomington, and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near Steinsville and Gosport around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Carrigan around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Eminence around 7:00 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Martinsville around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Centerton, Brooklyn, Bethany, and Lake Hart around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This includes Interstate 70 between mile markers 51 and 61.
Is the garage closed?
The warning replaces the severe thunderstorm warning that was in effect for the same area. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building.
Where is this?
Avoid windows.
Hendricks and Johnson, as far as I know.
Yeah, it's coming our way.
Huh?
Yeah, it's coming our way.
Wish I had a spot in the garage.
I'm gonna go make sure the garage is closed. What do you want to do about Gracie?
No, she's all right.
Okay, the garage door is closed.